Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Google Meet call background and effects. So if you're in a Google Meets call and you want to, let's say, freshen up the way your how things look for you, you can always do that. How you do it, click the three dots right next to the leave call button, and you will have the option that says background and effects. If you click in that, you have a ton of different backgrounds that you can choose from. So here it shows new. You can always go to the filters and then you can choose something as well. You can choose appearance. So here it basically shows new. You can scroll down and you can choose between different backgrounds, as you can see here. So there's a ton of different ones. And what this is going to do, it's basically when you're speaking and sharing your camera, this will basically change those background for you, right? So that's how it's going to look when you have your background showing, right? So I just keep that in mind. Now, in terms of others, you have like appearance, you can adjust video lighting and so forth. You can tweak that, right? You can also, change it to moonlight mode, and you can basically play around with it. Your filters as well, that you can always choose different filters. So that's it, guys. You have your background, you have your style. You can just basically choose whatever you want, and it will basically look like that whenever you're sharing your screen or something like that. So that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and basically change your background. As you can see here, once you select this, you will need to basically share your camera. And as you can see in my case here, it says your camera is not turned on. Select an effects will turn it on. But I just want to mention that on my current PC right now, there's no camera, so you'll not be able to see that change. But if you're using, for example, a computer with camera, or you're using your phone, making these changes will definitely show you how the background will look with you there. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. How to go ahead and change your background and effects and filters here on the Google Meet app during call. Very easy and very simple.